One other thing that's come up, and it's just as a direct result of this COVID-19 missile that's been fired at people, and the integrity that these shop owners and managers carry towards their employees of trying to keep their equipment clean, and comes up as to cleaning of touch screens. And great to see that people are really concerned about their staff. But the one problem with cleaning touch screens is you cannot get chemical cleaners, or if you get chemical cleaners directly on a touch screen, it can be lethal to the screen. And quite often what we see with some of these staff that are cleaning, in their integrity, they're trying to do a great job, trying to be thorough. They take their spray bottle and they go right across the touch screen. What happens is that water runs down the touch screen, runs in behind the plastic panel on the outside, runs over the edge of the touch screen and soaks into the touch sensitive membrane that is underneath that glass panel that you actually touch with your finger. And it soaks into that membrane and it becomes a touch point, just like as if you're touching your finger there and holding it steady, and it locks the screen. And unfortunately, it's almost impossible to try and take that screen apart. Many failures of people that have tried to take those touch screens apart and repair them and ended up completely killing the screen. So the trick to that is to take your spray it. Don't use a bleach or don't use a bleach cleaner. That's an absolute out. But use a cleaner and spray it onto a rag. Just dampen the rag. Then just wipe the screen gently and immediately dry it with a dry cloth so that none of that moisture can run down over the edge.